There is nothing more unpredictable than the British weather. One day it's tropical and the next you're in a blizzard. So when you're in the trade, this is something that is really hard to prepare for. This is where the Regatta Erasmus 4-in-1 softshell jacket quite literally has you covered. And you're probably thinking, but Dan, how can a jacket be 4-in-1? Well, let me tell you, this thing is like a transformer. If Optimus Prime turned into a jacket instead of a truck, it'd be this one. Now, this looks just like a regular jacket, but with zips under the arms and an inside fleece layer, you have some options to work with. So you have the overall jacket, you can then remove the sleeves to have yourself a body warmer. You could remove the fleece layer, because then you've got yourself a bit of a lighter jacket, or you can just wear the fleece on its own. And it's just as easy to do all of this as it is to just regularly zip up the jacket. But there are other adjustments as well that you can make to maintain your comfort, like the elasticated and Velcro adjustable sleeves, so you can keep out any cold air. And you've also got a nice adjustable hood as well, so you can keep snug as a bug. You're still getting all of the protective materials and technology that you've come to expect from Regatta's line of workwear. This is utilising Regatta's Softshell XPT technology, which means that it is both water repellent and wind resistant. You're still seeing a variety of storage options here as well, with zipped pockets on either side, as well as a chest pocket and an internal pocket too, so you'll always have somewhere to store your phone. Now, as you may have seen, we actually recently covered Regatta's battery-powered heated jacket, and it's clear to see that they are looking to push the boundaries, with their workwear range, and the flexibility that you're seeing with this Erasmus 4-in-1 softshell jacket, is another example of how they're looking to innovate. So if you're looking to stay warm, slightly less warm, and dry when working, then you are going to want to be checking out the Regatta Erasmus 4-in-1 softshell jacket. It's available now at its.co.uk.